If you need to get only a part of a collection, you can use the take method to get just the first n items, and you can use the skip method to ignore the first n items. These methods are great for pagination scenarios like showing 10 items per page in a user interface. You can use the take method to get the first 5 products, and you can skip the 10 products by using the skip method. Now if you combine these two, let's say skip 20, take 10, this way you take 10 items starting from the 20th item. So basically get the items in page 3 if you are showing 10 items per page. So the math is really simple and intuitive. Both operations are lazy, meaning that no work happens until you enumerate the results. Use them with LINQ queries like, for example, where, then skip, take, which is going to first filter, then skip, and then take.